recover. You will never
You're
recover.
in debt. Anyways,
Currently, there are roughly 7 million cases, a little
400
over 400,000 deaths, and only 3.4 million have recovered.
United States 1.9.
No, that rounds up, right?
Yeah, it's gonna
To
be
2.
Okay,
There's
basically
almost 2
two.
million.
Brazil.
Brazil.
See, they're not growing that fast. 2,000. The U.S. probably.
No, you have to go to yesterday. Go to yesterday.
New,
Click on,
New York alone gained 30,000 cases.
no. Click on yesterday.
Oh, it's that. Anyway.
Yeah, click.
Hold on. We gotta get back to it. It's being
What the
stupid.
hell are you doing?
What happened to the damn. There it is.
Click on yesterday. There you go. Brazil. Clear up there. 27,000.
Alright. Well, Russia stopped growing as fast.
Sure.
wonder why.
Stop.
How's Korea?
Korea's not in the U.S.
They don't care about Korea.
Alright, can I take this off? It's hard to talk.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Do you add subtitles?
No.
No.
It's a podcast. You don't read anyways. You don't watch. You listen.
Feels kind of quiet though.
Am I?
No,
I
you're
don't know.
fine.
I thought I was fine.
He doesn't listen to the damn podcast. He has no idea.
No, I listened to some of them.
No, you don't. He doesn't.
Yeah.
I stopped.
And if anything, you'd be the quiet one because you're like 2 miles away from the camcorder.
The camcorder doesn't mean it.
What?
Camcorder doesn't mean it.
Me
It's-
microphone.
Microphone? Whatever.
Well, it looks like we've slowed down compared to the other states. So that's good.
Where are we?
Right here.
Oh. Wait, go back down. I want to see. No deaths?
Not yet.
But look, all these have gained way more cases than we did. So
What's
I see it.
Let's say it's like not even populated. What is that?
what are you?
Montana.
Wyoming?
Yeah. Wyoming.
No, Alaska.
No, Alaska's way more populated than Wyoming.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I thought you were talking about cases.
No, I'm talking about like.
I mean, we're talking about
Oh,
least amount of
Wyoming
cases,
is Wyoming
Alaska
is
has
least
the
populated. Yes.
How many is it? How many do they have?
Alaska or Wyoming?
Wyoming.
939. Alaska is
Yeah,
536.
that's like 70% of the population, I think.
All right, these are bad stereotypes, but that's cool. Whatever. All right, so
Next segment.
no, let's talk about the corona a little long. So, did I tell you about what my predictions are?
Yes.
How come October we'll be back in lockdown?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I believe it.
I just, I don't.
I feel like it's still too soon, even though like things are less like loosening up. But I feel like if we're gonna have a
Because
second
here's the deal. All right. October, that's when flu season starts.
Mhm.
And so everyone's going to be back in school. Everyone's going to be,
Trying to social distance.
trying to social distance. But there's just going to be another wave.
Yeah.
There's bound to be another wave.
My thing is,
Especially I'd say within the next 2 weeks, possibly, considering all the riots and different things going on.
True.
People are starting to avoid social distancing, which makes me wonder if there will be a second wave earlier.
a small second wave.
Yeah,
I
which
don't think
means
it's
that there
gonna
could be a larger third, second wave or whatever in October
Yeah.
when the flu season kicks back in.
That's what I was predicting. I'm like, yeah, give this 2 weeks, we'll be in the riots will get shut down because they'll all be sick and dead.
Yeah.
It's not a good time, I tell you what. The world's on fire.
Yep. Well, at least the U.S.
Yeah, the rest of the world's like,
France
what you guys
is-
doing over there?
what you got doing over there?
It's not just the U.S. It's already international.
Okay,
Parts-
yeah. Some of the other countries are having some riots.
Yeah.
But it's not like every single city in the
Yeah.
entire country is in flames. At least they stopped here because we activated the National Guard and we put the law down.
Mhm.
And also, we had thunderstorms the past
That is true.
2 nights.
That is true.
I was like, I don't think they're going to be out anyways.
Not in the rain.
It's also been like 97.
Exactly.
So. Yeah, it's been a really warm June so far. It's a little uncomfortable for June. Luckily, it looks like this week is supposed to cool down a little bit to 70s.
Yeah.
For like 3 days. And it's back up to 97.
Be hitting 100 here pretty soon.
No,
Today's
no.
feel like was 100.
Screw the real feel. The real feel don't mean anything. The wind did not. What? No way there's a real feel of 100. The wind alone was enough to make it feel like it was in the high 80s. Interesting effect about when it's windy and it's hot out. Because you go in the shade, well, then the wind stops blowing and it gets warmer.
Yeah.
You ever had that? I've had that happen where I go in the shade, it was worse. Because the air's stagnant.
Yeah.
Well, anyways,
Getting
speaking.
tired.
Let's wrap up this podcast.
Let's
So
wrap
let's
this
wrap up the Rona.
All right. Next segment.
Fine. To be fair, there's no other news sources because all their news is either riots, Rona, or it's news that doesn't matter anymore. So,
Exactly.
all right.
Like the moon landing. No longer relevant.